Alrighty, so welcome back to another video. I haven't posted in probably 2 weeks. I had Christmas, New Year's Eve, New Year's. I hope you guys had a good holiday, Christmas and New Year's. But today's the day. Awesome video. Let me flip this camera around and I'll show you. So we got a beaver dam and we're gonna blow it up. One camera's over there, other one's here, and then I'll have my phone in another one. But we're gonna start out with 1 pound there, see what it does, and then we'll keep going up. We got a few pounds to use on this beaver dam, so here we go.
The cap's off of it now. Cap's off of it now.
Good work. Hey,
and so is my ear. You guys ready? Yeah?
Uh-huh.
See, that one was a better placement.
Mm-hmm.
See, that one was a better placement.
Two, one.
Ready?
Okay, what is up? I was just laying in my bed a few seconds ago and my package came and here it is. It's a pretty big one, but so what is in this package? So I traded some dog proofs for these traps inside. It's just because I do have a lot of dog proofs and they are good traps to use, but I wanted to get more into beaver trapping. And this is what is inside this package, are beaver traps. And I just put a post out there. I'm like, I'm selling or trading some traps so I can get more beaver traps, because I want to get into that stuff, because that stuff is fun to do. And I don't know, beaver trapping is just a lot more fun than coon trapping or whatever, in my opinion. But so I'm gonna set you guys up and start opening this. So here we go. Alrighty guys, so I just opened the first layer just so you guys can see my address, you know. But so here we go, we're gonna start opening this right here. There's that, and that down. Alright, so we got a box here. I'm gonna get this box out and get this big box out of the way, so here we go. Okay, so I got the box out of the bigger box, so we are going to open this here, and here we go. So first off, he had a 330 that he just was gonna give me because he don't really use it anymore. So here's the 330. Doesn't even look too shabby, but he said it was rusty. I mean, yeah, but all my traps are like this and they fire off perfectly. So here's the 330, and then I'm gonna set this down here. And now we're gonna get into the fun stuff. So these traps, are really what I'm excited about. And so we got 6 MB 750s, closed jaw, and these things are ginormous. Holy crap. He said these are brand new. There's really no rust on them, but brand new, never used or anything. So I'm gonna set it for you guys after I take a look at all these here quick. I'm gonna set this, so I'm gonna take a look at these quick, and then I'll go out in the garage or something. Alright, so I got them out in the garage, and I'm just gonna step on it. Hopefully it goes nice and smooth. Oof, that was tough. Even just stepping on it. So now I'm not really sure what to do with this. I think you flip that little lever up like that and do something like this. After you get that, just put the pan over that. That little lever you flipped over. Hopefully it works. Okay, so that is how you set it. Hopefully I can get this thing down without it snapping my fingers. Oh yeah. I mean, not perfectly level. I have to kind of get used to it before I start messing with it like that with my hands. But holy crap. Like, that goes off, that'll get my whole hand. Alright, so I got a broom, and we're gonna push down and see how mean this sucker is. Holy crap. Now, if that don't catch a beaver, I don't know what will. But you can see the freaking indents on the broom. I got an alive coon, baby. Oh man. Literally just over there in the creek. But yeah, he's alive. Oh my. Didn't even bite me or anything. Hold on. I got him here. Hey. Oh, got him. Oh man, this is awesome. I'm gonna let him down, see what he does. Ready? Oh man. There he goes. Oh nope, back out. Hike. Can't believe I got him with my hand. See, not all coons are bad. Oh man. There he goes. Oh my god. I've never ever done that before. Woo! That was scary. I do have a full video I took on my phone because I didn't have my camera. But if you want the full video, I'll release it. I mean, it's long, might be boring, and I kind of sound like a little baby in it, but man, I was a little scared to grab him at first because the first time I did it in the video, if you guys want to see it, I like grabbed him and like he twisted his neck quick, so I was a little tempted to grab him. So can't believe I got it, man. That's awesome. So